When you know who you are, you walk differently. Your speech is different, and the way you carry yourself emanates both strength and vulnerability. In order to be strong, we must also be vulnerable. In order to succeed, one must have failure. In order to get something right, mistakes happen along the way. In order to walk in the Spirit of God, we must surrender to the universal plan. This requires both strength and vulnerability. When you know who you are, you accept that in this lucid dream that we call life, that we are connected to a universal network or so-called universe, and that we are literally charged to dream big and beautifully. And with that, our dreams are glimpses or snapshots of the universal mind, the so-called consciousness. In addition, when we know who we are as humans on this planet, you have no need to justify your thoughts, your agreements, or actions to another dreamer. That will never serve you. We all know that there are universal laws and everything is subject to. So there is no need to go there. It will take care of itself. When you know who you are, you have accepted self-mastery, the ultimate control over your own self, eliminating the desire to control another. Now the question is this: who are you? For the sake of brevity, I will end what I know you are precisely what is needed. For the sake of brevity, I will say again, you are precisely what is needed. You are what the situation calls for. You are connected to the source, to God, which translates to infinite opportunities. Whatever name you were given or call yourself by is not who you are. Your title is not who you are. Your vocation is not who you are. Only you are who and what you are. All those other expressions and choices and agreements that the real you has made in your dream. So what does this mean? Well, in truth, it means whatever you want it to. It is your dream. That's what mind over matter is all about. The mountain that was referenced, and I think, therefore I am, is just another example. We are what we eat, and we are what we think. So dream. Hello there, my name is Nick Ridley, and I'm the founder of Art Snob Agency. We have an awesome program for youth called the Youth Expressionist Program, better yet titled Arizona Youth Expressionist. It is a 12-week program workshop that will consist of 2 workshops per month, every other Saturday, and 1 public performance per month. The takeaway being that once the participants, your child, a student, completes this program, they will have a composition book filled with their original writings and poetry. They will also have training and instruction for 2 hours for 2 Saturdays per month, and the opportunity to present themselves in their own form and in their own voice, more importantly to the community. And they will have 3 of those, which will be filmed. And this is where you come into play. We're asking for sponsors so that we can give scholarships to youth that are interested in public performance and creative writing and poetry. These participants will be selected not upon their socioeconomic status, not upon their creed, their color, their race, their orientation, but in regards to their interest. We want to make this fair and across the board, especially in today's climate, and want to ensure that we find those that are truly interested. And we need your help. For $50 a month, we need you to help underwrite these scholarships so that these children can be able to have this experience, this opportunity, and most importantly, the ability to share their voice where they are at in this world, because it is vitally important that we know how our youth feel. It is vitally important for our youth to know how to express themselves adequately. And it is vitally important for us as the community to come together as one and really show that we love our children, we care where they're coming from, and that we're here for them, and that they're also there for us so that we can start modeling this behavior. Once again, for $50 a month, you can also send someone this gift to learn how to creatively express themselves and perform this for our community. Details are below on this video. Please give me a call. Once again, thank you so much. My name is Nick Ridley, founder of Art Snob Agency. I look forward to your support, and I thank you in advance.